Ever noticed how German car owners always talk about their cars in the past tense? Yeah, my BMW was amazing, until the check engine light came on. Meanwhile, Japanese car owners, still driving the same car after 300,000 miles. Today I'm exposing the real truth about German versus Japanese cars. And the answer will shock you. Here's something the dealerships don't want you to know. That gorgeous German luxury sedan, it's engineered to be perfect for exactly 36 months. Then the warranty expires, and suddenly you're the one paying for that superior engineering. I've analyzed thousands of repair records, talked to dozens of mechanics, and studied 10 years of reliability data. What I found will change how you buy cars forever. And if you're about to drop 50 grand on your next ride, you need to hear this before you sign anything. Let's start with the German promise. BMW, Mercedes, Audi, they sell you a dream. Imagine this. You're cruising down the highway in your M5, twin-turbo V8 roaring, adaptive suspension reading the road, heads turning as you pass. That three-pointed star on the hood. That's not just a badge. That's power. That's status. That's engineering perfection from the country that invented the automobile. And for those first 3 years, they're right. The performance is intoxicating. The technology is mind-blowing. The interior smells like success. You feel like you've made it. But here's what they don't tell you at the dealership. Year 4 hits. That check engine light? It's not going away. The dealer wants $100-200 just to diagnose it. Turns out it's a faulty sensor. Parts? $2 grand. Labor? Another $1,500. Oh, and while we're in there, your water pump is leaking. That's another $3,000. And those brakes, they're at 30%, but it's a performance brake system, so it's $3,500 for all 4 corners. Your maintenance visit just became a $10,000 nightmare. And this isn't a one-time thing. This is your life now as a German car owner after warranty. Every year something expensive breaks. Every shop visit makes you nervous. That beautiful machine, it's now a ticking time bomb in your driveway. Consumer Reports doesn't lie. German luxury brands rank 20th, 23rd, and 26th out of 28 brands for reliability. You're literally buying some of the least reliable cars on the market. Now let's flip the script. Japanese cars. Toyota pulls up and says, "Hey, we're not the sexiest. But you know what? Start me up in 15 years and I'll still be running." Sounds boring, right? Wrong. Here's what's actually happening. While German engineers are cramming in the latest tech to win magazine awards, Japanese engineers are asking one question. Will this still work in 200,000 miles? They're not chasing trends. They're building forever cars. That Honda Accord in your neighbor's driveway, it's got 280,000 miles, and it's still on the original transmission. That Lexus ES, it's basically a Toyota Camry in a tuxedo, and it'll outlast any German competitor while costing half as much to maintain. Here's the real difference. German cars are built by perfectionists. Every component is engineered to 110%, which sounds great until you realize that complexity kills reliability. 17 sensors controlling your headlights. Awesome. Until one fails, and now your whole lighting system is down. Japanese cars, they use 5 sensors. Simpler, proven, reliable. German cars have electronic parking brakes that need 800 DOS dealer resets. Japanese cars, a cable and a lever, costs $12 to fix. Let me hit you with the numbers that really matter. Average German luxury car, 5 years old, 60,000 miles. Maintenance and repairs, $4,200 per year. Japanese luxury car, same age and miles, $1,100 per year. Over 10 years of ownership, you're looking at $31,000 in extra costs for that German badge. Let that sink in. $31,000. That's a whole other car you could buy with the money you save going Japanese. But here's where it gets really interesting. Resale value. You'd think those premium German brands hold value, right? Nope. A 5-year-old BMW 5 Series lost 63% of its value. A 5-year-old Lexus GS lost only 38%. Japanese cars not only cost less to maintain, they're worth more when you sell them. You're winning twice. So which one should you buy? Here's my honest answer. If you're leasing for 3 years, get the German car. Enjoy that performance, live that luxury life, hand it back before problems start. You're golden. But if you're buying with your hard-earned money, Japanese is the only smart move. Unless you've got 10 grand a year sitting around for repairs. Want luxury? Get a Lexus LS. It's got the quality of a Mercedes with Toyota's bulletproof reliability. Want performance? Mazda's got you covered with fun-to-drive cars that don't break. Want family hauling? Toyota Highlander will last until your grandkids learn to drive. Here's the bottom line nobody wants to say out loud. German cars are fantastic if someone else is paying for repairs. Japanese cars are smart if you're paying the bills. This isn't about which is better. It's about which fits your wallet and your lifestyle. German cars are for the experience. Japanese cars are for the outcome. Choose wisely. That's it, guys. Smash that like button if I just saved you $10,000. Subscribe because I drop truth bombs like this every week. And drop a comment. Are you Team German or Team Japanese?